I had never seen anything fly like that before. So I said, hey, let's intercept one of these things. As soon as that happened, he's like, oh my God, I'm engaged. If they had been hostile, there was nothing I could have done.
This might be the biggest cover-up with planetary consequences ever. In the realm of cosmic mysteries and conjecture, a new theory has emerged, as if straight out of a science fiction novel. But is it? The formation of the United States Space Force, announced by then President Donald Trump in 2018, has sparked speculation. Is it merely an advanced military service aimed at ensuring American dominance in space, or does it serve the hidden purpose of defending Earth against an extraordinary presence already known to the government?
Yes, they were flying quite high. How high, we couldn't tell because we couldn't get anywhere near their altitude.
In the public eye, the Space Force's mission is clear: to provide freedom of operation in the space domain, to ensure U.S. space superiority, and to integrate space capabilities across the branches of the military. But beyond the formal press releases and the stylized logo bearing a silver delta wing, many believe that there lies a veiled purpose, and rightfully so. Anecdotal accounts, speculative whispers, and tales of hidden truths point to the possible existence of advanced non-human intelligence. Information about these enigmatic phenomenon is often tightly controlled and only accessible to a select few at the apex of power and authority. The President of the United States, high-ranking national defense officers, and a handful of others in the top echelons of government are the only ones privy to such classified data. Could all the intelligence be of such significance that they necessitated the creation of an entirely new military branch? The fact that the US government recently acknowledged the existence of unidentified aerial phenomenon, UAPs, and established a dedicated task force to study them only adds fuel to these conjectures. Think about it. The establishment of a whole new military branch, focusing on the realm where these phenomenon are primarily observed. It provides the perfect cover for operations investigating these unidentified objects, all while ostensibly serving to protect American interest in space. Moreover, a defense force against extraterrestrial threats could not be plainly revealed to the public due to the societal and political implications. The general public's reaction to the knowledge of a confirmed extraterrestrial presence is unpredictable, a spectrum ranging from awe to terror. It's plausible that the need to maintain public order and societal stability, alongside strategizing response, necessitates a controlled release of such information. If these theories were to hold, the creation of the Space Force takes on a dramatically different significance. It becomes not just an emblem of American military power extended into space, but a discreet shield, a silent protector holding the line against the unknown. The narrative becomes even more intriguing when you consider reports of sightings from astronauts and military personnel. These credible witnesses have described encounters with objects exhibiting speed and maneuverability, far surpassing our current technological capabilities. Could these be demonstrations of alien technology? If so, the creation of the Space Force takes on a new dimension. In 1963, during the Mercury 9 mission, astronaut Gordon Cooper reported seeing a, quote, greenish object approaching his capsule. The object was detected on radar, which indicated it was not a hallucination or a trick of light. Gordon Cooper talked openly about his experiences with UFOs on several occasions. He also expressed his belief in extraterrestrial life in interviews and his autobiographical book.
520.
Kevin Day, a retired United States Navy senior chief petty officer, has become a significant figure in the UFO discourse due to his experience while serving on the USS Princeton during the now famous 2004 Tic Tac UFO incident near Catalina Island.
According to this leaked summary of the incident, contact was made here, 30 miles off the coast, 70 miles south of the US-Mexico border.
As a radar operator, Day's role was to monitor the airspace around the ship. In November 2004, Day noticed a group of unidentified objects on his radar screen. The objects, approximately 100 miles off the coast of San Diego and near Catalina Island, were descending, climbing, and maneuvering in ways that defied the known laws of physics. Intrigued and concerned, Day reported the anomalous radar tracks to his superiors. These readings prompted the dispatch of 2 FA-18 fighter jets, leading to what has since become one of the most well-documented encounters with unidentified aerial phenomena.
We were interrupted for a real-world intercept. We were vectored to try to get a visual tally on something that another ship in our carrier strike group was picking up on their radar.
The pilots of the jets observed a 40-foot-long, tic-tac-shaped object that exhibited capabilities far beyond any known human technology. Despite the object's seemingly advanced technology, it left no discernible means of propulsion or flight mechanism.
There are UAPs who, quote, appeared to remain stationary in winds aloft, move against the wind, move abruptly, or move at considerable speed without discernible means of propulsion. Does that sound about like what you saw?
But it certainly did behave in a way, it maneuvered in a way that we couldn't explain, and we couldn't anticipate its next move. So
the Space Force, to this light, could be seen as a defensive front, created not just to contest geopolitical adversaries, but also to shield humanity from potential threats of extraterrestrial origin. It could be an entity established to research, understand, and potentially employ advanced technologies in the face of an alien presence. If this theory were to hold, then the Space Force would bear a secret responsibility. It would act as Earth's vanguard, armed not just with terrestrial weapons, but with the will to defend our blue planet against unknown cosmic entities. The implications would be monumental, not only to our understanding of our place in the universe, but also to our sense of shared identity as a species. Yet, as in the case with all such theories, the cloak of speculation often obscures the cold, hard truth. Is the Space Force a clandestine operation destined to protect us from the extraterrestrials, or is it just another stride towards asserting dominance in a new military frontier? We stand at the precipice of the cosmos, gazing at the boundless expanse dotted with mysteries. There, in the silent darkness of space, what do we truly know? And what is yet to be revealed? In the end, the answers may only come when we step off the precipice, venturing out amongst the stars, reaching toward the enigmas they hold. Until then, speculation and curiosity shall be our guides, leading us forward into the vast, uncharted territory of the universe. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Make sure you check out this next video to dive into even more unbelievable content.